Croeso i'r cwrs Mynediad. Welcome to the Mynediad course. Dwi eisiau helpu chi gydag Uned 1. I want to help you with Unit 1. In Uned 1, we'll be learning how to start a conversation in Gymraeg. I will be asking you to say things out loud during this video, so don't be shy and give it a go. So, let me introduce myself to you. Mair dwi. Mair dwi. In English, we say, I'm Mair, but in Welsh, we put our name first. Mair dwi. Let's practice. Beth am ymarfer. I'll give you a name and you put it in the sentence. John. John dwi. Sian. Sian dwi. Siôn. Siôn dwi. Now, you tell me who you are after 3. 1, 2, 3. Croeso, welcome. When we're learning a new language, a big part of the challenge is to put those little building blocks together to form different sentences. So, let's play around with dwi for a bit. You'll be surprised how many sentences you'll be able to say after just completing Uned 1. Let's start with a verb noun, gwylio, to watch. Gwylio, to watch. Gwrandewch and repeat. Gwylio. Gwylio. To say I watch, you simply say dwi'n gwylio. Gwrandewch and repeat. Dwi'n gwylio. Dwi'n gwylio. Dwi'n gwylio strictly. Put these words in a sentence. Coronation Street. Dwi'n gwylio Coronation Street. S4C. Dwi'n gwylio S4C. Pobl y cwm. Dwi'n gwylio pobl y cwm. Da iawn. The next verb noun is darllen, to read. Darllen. So, I read is dwi'n darllen. Gwrandewch and repeat. Dwi'n darllen. Dwi'n darllen. Dwi'n darllen Harry Potter. Let's try and put these words in a sentence this time. Lord of the Rings. Dwi'n darllen Lord of the Rings. War and Peace. Dwi'n darllen War and Peace. Sally Mally. Dwi'n darllen Sally Mally. Da iawn chi. But probably the most important one for you to learn at this stage is Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. I'm learning Welsh. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. Gwrandewch and repeat. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. Say it loud and proud. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. Da iawn chi. You may have noticed that some questions in the unit have the same meaning but looks and sounds slightly different. For example, ble wyt ti yn byw? Ble di chi yn byw? Ti and chi are similar to tu and vous in French and many other languages. Ti is always singular and chi can be formal singular or plural. Talking about questions, let's practice the questions in Mynediad Uned. I'll ask you the questions and you answer. Barod? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pwy dych chi? Sut ydych chi? Ble ydych chi'n byw? Now, you ask me. I'll give you a little prompt so that you'll know which question to ask. Mair. Mair dwi. Da iawn, diolch. Pontypridd. Pontypridd. Da iawn. Mynediad Uned contains a lot of information with regards to pronunciation. Please spend time through our Mynediad Uned online resources on www.learnwelsh.cymru to learn more about pronunciation and practice. But let's spend a little time exploring one aspect: stress, pwyslais. In Welsh, the stress, pwyslais, is almost always on the last syllable but one. Listen. Proffesiynol, nofelydd, seicolegydd. Let's try it together. I'll say the word and then we'll say it together and clap at the same time. Aberystwyth, Aberystwyth. Casnewydd, Casnewydd. Aberhonddu, Aberhonddu. Abertawe, Abertawe. Caernarfon, Caernarfon. Da iawn chi. I hope that helped you a little bit with Mynediad Uned. Check out our online resources on www.learnwelsh.cymru and have a look again at Mynediad Uned in the course Mynediad. Pob hwyl! Hwyl fawr!